Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling down right away. Then choose passwords and security. Now tap on Face Unlock. Enter your current screen lock and select Start. In this pop-up, you need to select Next after 5 seconds. And then finally, follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can name your face data however you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. Tap on this check mark at the bottom right corner of your keyboard and tap on Done. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. If you wish to delete face data, you can do that by clicking on it and choosing Delete Face Data at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in Attention pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!